Marshall's buyers have a very particular set of skills. They can sniff out the finest Italian leather without the premium price tag.
I know what I want.
Hunt down the latest trends.
Double denim is back. So chic.
Got it.
And will hustle 24/7 to get them.
Eye masks are a game changer. That is the deal.
Ceramic.
They're highly trained, deal-making professionals who take quality very, very seriously. And even consult experts. They will go to the ends of the earth to find the best of the best for you. We get the deals. You get the good stuff. Marshalls.